Hey guys, welcome back to another new exciting video. Codex just introduced another new feature which is the pet. Inside this Codex app, you will find this pet and hatch pet feature. So this pet and hatch pet both have different purpose. This pet means slash pet is basically for using the built-in pets that they are providing inside the Codex. But if you want to customize that and if you want to create your own pet according to your own need, according to your own thinking, then you need this hatch pet skills. But these hatchpad skills are not by default available inside Codex. For that you need to execute one command. I will provide that command in description and I will show you how you can do that. And here you see that I have already executed these hatchpad skills, and this is the skills installer that executed, and I can actually create my own pet according to my own need. Okay, now let me show you that what this pet feature will do. So when you will write this slash pet here, now it will ask you to wake and track away the desktop page. Now on the right hand side below corner, just follow that. On the right hand side below corner, you see there is nothing, right? Now whenever I will select this page, you will see one icon will appear. You see one icon is appear. So it is a kind of a pet that is available in your home, like a dog or any other kind of pet. So it is basically kind of friend that is sitting with you, and it is observing all of the tasks that you are doing. Now not only this pet, there are some another built-in pets. Let me show you. And on the left hand side you will find these settings, and click on the settings, and on the left hand side you will find this appearance. So go to this appearance, scroll down below. Okay, and here you see that you will find these pets, the last option that is available, pets. So just expand these pets and you will find some other icons, like the first one is the Codex and the second one is the DOA and Fireball, Rocky, CD, Stacky, BSOD, null signal. And after that, here you see that custom pets that you can actually create. Right, now currently here you see this first one Codex is selected. Now I can select another one like Fireball. So if I select, here you see the icon got changed. Now if I select this Rocky, then the icon got changed. Okay, I can refresh it, and after that if you want to remove this pet from your screen, then you can click on this icon and just do the right click, and this close pet option will be available. So now click on this close pet and it will move away from your screen. Okay, now how to create your own pet? So for that, what you need to do, you need to install one skill, and that skill command they have provided officially. Here you see this is their official documentation, and this is the command that you need to execute. So just copy this command that I have given in description. Skills installer has pet. Okay, so go there and select any model. By default currently they are providing this GPT 5.5 model. I have selected that low, so that it cost very. And now here execute this command, press enter, and now here you see that skill installer has pet, and it will execute. Here you see that I will use the skill installer. Now it will ask you to download and install the curated hatchpad skill from the OpenAI official skills directory. Yes, so submit, and after that within a second you will see it will install. So hatchpad is already installed at this location because I have already installed it, as I told you that previously I have already installed it. Now you will be able to create your own page according to your own need. So what you can do, just type slash hatch page, and after that give the prompt according to your need. Here you see that I have given the prompt, create a new page with Anthropic Cloud Code icon. Now press enter, and you will see that it will execute that hatch page skills, and it will create one icon, and that will be later used for your pet. So it is executing that. And here you see that on the right hand side it has actually opened a progress bar. See that all of that step by step process, getting Cloud Code ready, imagining Cloud Code's main loop, picturing the Cloud Code's poses, hatching the Cloud Code. So it is actually imagine. Now it is telling me that if you want to create one image, then you need to provide the OpenAI API key, because it will create one image, right? And for that it will use their built-in image gen tool. And by default the model that you have selected here, these are the coding model. So to use this hatchpad feature, and if you want to customize the hatchpad according to your own need, then you need to give the OpenAI API key. But I have not any OpenAI API key, so that's why I will not be able to create the page according to my need. If you have your OpenAI API key, then you can provide that, and after that it will use their image gen tool and it will create that. And here you see that they have provided basepage.md file. If you open that, this is the prompt that they have created for creating the API, for creating the page like Cloud Code. Okay, so in this way you can actually create the page according to your need, and I hope that you found the detailed video, a detailed step-by-step procedure very helpful. And I am sorry that I don't have the OpenAI API key, but the procedure is like this. You have to execute all of these commands and all of this path you need to follow to create your own page. Because I am in a free plan, so that's why I have not any OpenAI API key. I hope that you have found this video helpful. These detailed step-by-step explanation are helpful to you. If you found helpful, don't forget to subscribe this channel. Don't forget to like this video also. See you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Take care.